Are you feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of coaching classes that promise the world but never quite deliver? Are you tired of being overcharged for NEET prep and still didn't see any improvement in your performance? Are you too looking for a foolproof way to crack NEET? Don't let the pressure of NEET get to you. Darwin Selection Guarantee plan is here to help you out. Unlike other NEET coaching institutes, Darwin NEET Prep App has been designed to encourage self-learning. With our recommended method of practice, revision, and daily tests, you can reach the top 98 percentile in NEET 2024. We are so confident in our approach that we are offering a 3x refund if you don't make it to the top 98 percentile even after following our recommended methodology. It won't work if students believe that joining this program will guarantee their selection or a 3x refund if they are not able to make it. The guarantee only applies if the student has done what we requested them to do to prepare. With Selection Guarantee Plan, we promise to guide you at every step. We will also keep your parents or mentors updated regarding your progress. This plan includes live lectures, doubt-clearing sessions, comprehensive study material, online tests and assessments, flashcards, personalized guidance, and much more. Darwin NEET Prep App's advanced analytics and cutting-edge features ensure that you progress in the right direction. Our algorithm presents you with customized questions based on your strengths and weaknesses. It lets you focus on your weak areas and improve your scores with ease. This plan is suited for aspirants in Class 12 and droppers, and it requires full dedication and commitment from your end. We are so confident with our methodology that we are offering a 300% money-back guarantee. But the question is, do you trust yourself to follow our recommended methodology?